Skylar and Henry want to attend a concert, but all the tickets are sold out. Going home, they come to a bridge they need to cross. Wait, who is that standing on the bridge? It's the tricky troll.
I have a rounding to the nearest 100 problem for you both, and if you solve it, I shall give you 2 tickets to the concert.
Rounding to the nearest 100. When rounding to the nearest 100, we can use a place value chart like this to help us set up our hundreds, tens, and ones columns. We want to round to the nearest 100, so this is where we start. And then we look at the place value to the right, which is the tens place. If the number in the tens place is below 5, we round down to the nearest 100 and keep the hundreds place number the same. But if the number in the tens place is 5 or above, we round up to the nearest 100, meaning we add 1 to the number in the hundreds place. Every place value to the right of the hundreds place becomes 0. Let's look at some examples. Here we see the number 835. First, let's identify the hundreds place. Do you know which number is in the hundreds place? 8 is in the hundreds place. Next, go to the place value to the right of the hundreds place. This is the tens place. What number is in the tens place? 3 is in the tens.
Does your kid need extra help outside of school and you don't know what service to use? Look no further than Sofatutor. Here's why it's so special and why it actually works. Sofatutor has this amazing 12-minute method which makes learning a fun and stress-free experience. After starting on a topic, kids learn for just 5 minutes thanks to really fun and concise animated videos that break down a subject. The next 5 minutes is to review and test their knowledge, and it's in this cool game that keeps it super fun. And then in the last 2 minutes, that time's used for them to ask any questions they might have. It's simple but effective. Sofatutor is really flexible with videos, the exercises, printable worksheets, interactive books. It makes it a breeze for your child to learn at their own pace on any device. Even better, Sofatutor adds new lessons and materials every single week. So why not give Sofatutor a shot and watch your child thrive? Trust me, you will love it as much as we do. And you can try it free for 30 days. There's no strings attached.